Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Wells Fargo Bank, and more specifically, we're going to talk about what are the Wells Fargo Bank limits at the ATM for withdrawals. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with Wells Fargo Bank, it is one of the largest banking institutions in the US. It might even be the largest, but I'm not too sure about that. If you happen to know, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. But today what we're going to talk about are the ATM limits. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. So as I was researching this, I wanted to find out what the maximum I can pull out at an ATM with my new Wells Fargo account. And I searched through the app and it wasn't really easy to find. So what I did is I went ahead and emailed Wells Fargo to find that out. And I did get a response back from them through their secured message center. So let me go ahead and jump on over to the app. Alright, here's the app. If you don't have the app already, be sure to check the video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. Or you can easily download the app on the Google Play or App Store. It's this red, white, and yellow one right here. So let me go ahead and open it now. Alright, I went ahead and opened up the app right now, and it is asking for my Touch ID in order to log in. I've already registered my thumb with Wells Fargo, so I'm going to go ahead and use that now. Alright, I went ahead and logged in, and here is my home screen to the Wells Fargo app, and I'm going to go back over to the Secure Message Center, and how you get there is you just click either this little icon right here with the envelope, or right here on your settings icon. I'm going to click on the settings icon now. Alright, now I'm here in the settings icon, and what you want to do is go ahead and click on Message Center. I'm going to click there now. Alright, here in the Message Center, this is where you can contact Wells Fargo directly. If you have any questions about your account, which is what I did, all you do is you click on this little icon right here, and then that way you can type a message directly to Wells Fargo. But let me go ahead and open up the response that I received from Wells Fargo. Alright, so this is the response that I received from Wells Fargo in regards to the maximum ATM withdrawal limits. So this is a new account that I just opened, and they let me know that my ATM withdrawal limit is $310, my daily purchase limit is $2,000, or the available balance of your account if it's less than the limit. So here's the interesting thing. Most banks these days will set a baseline limit, especially on new accounts. After you've built up some history with that account, then you can change the ATM limits. And how do you do that? They're letting me know that if I would like to decrease those limits, I can just email back. So it's a pretty easy process. However, if I want to increase the ATM withdrawal limit or purchase limits for my Wells Fargo account, I have to call in to customer service to request that. For me, I don't make a lot of transactions because this is a new account on my Wells Fargo, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave it the same, but this is the baseline for a personal account. Now just keep in mind that your limit might be different than mine, depending on the age of your account, and also if you've put any types of requests in, and also your account history. So that's the first way you can check to see what your ATM withdrawal limit is through Wells Fargo. There is a second way you can check that according to Wells Fargo. In this email they sent to me, they said I can request it on their Wells Fargo Mobile banking center. So let me scroll down to those instructions. Alright, according to this person, they're saying that I can log in and go to the profile and settings through the website, not on the mobile app. Next, you want to go to account settings. Next, you want to select view account and card profile link. And then you would choose your card and select go, and that would disclose any kind of limits or ATM withdrawal limits that you have on that card. Alright, so I went ahead and checked on that and tried to go through the process, but on the mobile website that does not work. You will actually need to go on a desktop or your laptop computer and go through the Wells Fargo app, and those instructions will work. Let me go ahead and show you a screenshot of that right now. So here's a screenshot that I took from the desktop version. So you should easily go onto the desktop or laptop, go through the Wells Fargo account and follow those instructions, and then you would be able to pull up the limits for your ATM or purchase limit for your Wells Fargo debit card. I would say contacting them via email is probably going to be easier than that from your mobile app. But if you know an easier way to find your daily ATM withdrawal limit for your Wells Fargo card, be sure to leave me a comment below, let the rest of us know. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.